guys, welcome back to a new video where today we are going to be playing some more Minecraft. I couldn't make videos because we're going to move and we had to paint our house. I had to go to school, and right now we're going to be playing some Minecraft. I'm gonna find a village. I'm gonna kill this chicken. There's sugar cane over there. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna mine next. Cause we're gonna have to need armor to mine. I'm gonna go break trees. I'm gonna make the axe so I cannot waste my time, because wood is hard to break. The wood. Oh, this is even. There's a new update in Minecraft that there's parrots and what's new? Oh, yeah, and the blacksmith don't exist now. I don't know if the blacksmith don't exist. If you don't know what's a blacksmith is like when you go in a village. There's a village, and inside there's like inside a chest there's like a lot of things. I'm gonna get coconut. What is this? What is this? Is not white. Wait, does it have anything? Oh, it does have the coconut. I'm gonna get some diamonds. Oh, I got 3 seeds. I could feed a chicken. I'm gonna go get sand because the glass. I'm gonna make sand. People spawned me here. I mean, why did I spawn it here? I'm gonna give him. And then you. They're gonna have a baby. An egg. I'm gonna try to. It's rare to find villages, so it's going to be hard to find them. I'll try to find a village. Sometimes there's parrots and jaguars, and parrots are rare to find too. Ooh! Ooh, it's mine now. Oh no, it's not on me. Sorry. There, it's on me. Oh, that made a big sound. I'm gonna try to get another parrot. I'm gonna try to get another. Oh yeah, when I run, wait, get back here. By the way, how can you sit a parrot? He's never gonna sit. No. Well, whatever, he follows me. Sometimes they get lost, so I have to keep an eye on him. I'm gonna get more wood. Turning night. Good thing I have wool, cause wool is rare. I hate this when you can't find sheep. Then when you get your bed, you can find sheep. That's like weird. I'm gonna get in the pit. I'm gonna dig it. How am I supposed to sleep? I'm gonna try to kill. Wait, where's my parrot? Oh, I'm gonna try to kill some sheep because it's already turning night. As you can tell, it's there. There's stars. Oh yeah. Oh. No. Stop recording. Stop recording. Hurry up! Hurry up! I lost my parrots. I lost my. Oh, there's a bat. I lost my. What's it called? I lost my wool. I lost my meat. I lost everything. And that was. I needed that lava. There's lava. How am I supposed to get out of here? Great. I need to break this stone to get up. I had to break it with my hand. And my hand is useful. Because if you didn't have a hand, how are you going to iron? How are you going to how are you going to grab stuff? My parrot! I found my parrot! Where's my parrot? Oh, here, there he is. Get back. No! Here. Lava mixed up with water, it makes it too strong. I don't want you to die in the lava. Look how you blew. The zombies, I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna have to be careful. And plus, come here. I'm gonna get some dirt and I'm gonna put it in the water. And I hate stairs. Stairs are. Did you know that dirt is useful? Because if dirt didn't exist in Minecraft, how would you climb? You'd be stuck in caves. So, and pick up your hand is useful to there's where it's getting the water. No. Oh, I thought that was a. No. If you kill me. No, I think that I killed my. Yo, that's cool. And I just died. Panda was slain by spiders. The end of the video. Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe.